Okay, here's a video of the inside. Motor's running, 31,906 on the miles. You've got rear backup camera. You've got a nice stereo. Seats are good in the front. Up here is nice. No leaks. I've got the generator on right now. The AC is on. You got 3 TVs, one here, one in the bedroom, and then one outside. The dinette looks nice. The leather looks fine. The countertop in the kitchen looks fine. The 2 seats right here need to be reupholstered. You've got a full-size refrigerator that is cold up top so far. Convection microwave which works. The propane which works. I have the water thing, and water works. Actually, water. Oh. Alright, I think we're out of water. Hold on. We got fresh. We are out of water. No, that says full. Water. I did it earlier and it worked. I don't know why it's not working now. AC is cold. The mattress is a beautiful mattress, but it's dirty. It needs to be cleaned. Basically, this was a coach that somebody lived in or used a lot. I can't get the slide out. I don't know how to get this one out. I think the batteries, the house batteries, are dead because I can't get the awning outside to work either. And I'm pretty sure the batteries are underneath here, but I can't get out this frickin' door because of this lock thing here. Maybe when I talk to you, you can give me some ideas. Other than that, everything looks very nice. So the lock thing on the door needs to be done. I'm pretty sure I brought my battery jumper in here to jump the and get the slide out and get the awning out, but I can't fit down here. Oh, also your kick plate, you're gonna have to put a kick plate at the bottom because people walk around and hit the bottom here. So in order to freshen up and make it look good, one of those little silver stick-on things that you do on Lincoln Town cars at the bottom, that'll make it look really special. Everything else looks good. What else? Oh, the levelers. I can't figure out how to work the levelers. It's making a flashing here, and I hit manual, auto. They're already up right now, so I want them to go down. So this, I think this light has to come on that says air dump in order for them to go down. Emergency retract, I don't want that. So I can't make the jacks work. I can't get the slide out, and I can't get the awning to work. I believe 2 of the 3 are battery related, but generator works, AC works, convection oven, propane, motor, stereo, and cosmetically the only thing would be the door handle and the top of these 2 seats I would reupholster. Maybe do it in the same as this right here, which would really look cool. That's it. Overall nice coach, just a used one that needs to be detailed and cleaned. Okay, I hope this is working.